hundreds harvesting at once, across an orchard too vast to see the end of. Thousands of crates, filled by midday. The scale of a single harvest. Dozens of trucks, one convoy. Millions of pomegranates on the move. One of the largest wine factories in the world, built for millions of bottles a year. Dozens of bays working at once. The intake never stops. A dozen lines running together. Millions of pomegranates moving as one. Washed at massive volume. Thousands per minute, every one spotless. A dozen blades working together. Thousands trimmed every minute. An entire hall of crushes. Millions of pomegranates cracked open daily. A dozen separators, side by side. Millions of seeds freed from the husk. Every shoot converging. A river of ruby-red arils without end. Filtered at industrial scale. Clarity across every liter. Millions of liters in reserve. A hall built for massive scale. Balanced by the ton. Precision, even at massive volume. Yeast added at scale. Fermentation begins across the entire batch. One of the largest fermentation farms anywhere. Millions of liters, transforming at once. Every tank alive. Sugar becoming alcohol by the thousands of liters. Hundreds of tanks, one control room. The entire operation watched in real time. Racked across dozens of tanks at once. Massive batches refined together. Thousands of barrels, one hall. Aging at a scale few facilities match. One barrel among thousands. Each one quietly transforming. Thousands of bottles a minute. Molded from molten glass, on site. Filtered at full scale. Clarity across the entire batch. An entire tunnel of bottles, cooling together. Thousands, strengthening as one. A dozen lines, sterilizing at once. Thousands, ready every minute. Multiple carousels, filling at once. Thousands of bottles, every single minute. Corked across every line, thousands sealed, minute after minute. Sealed in red, across every line. A finished look at massive scale. A dozen lines, labeling as one. Thousands of bottles, every one identical. Dozens of robots packing at once, massive speed, zero wasted motion. stacked across the entire floor, thousands of pallets, building by the hour. One of the largest storage halls anywhere. Millions of bottles, tracked and ready. Dozens of bays, loading at once. Millions of bottles, heading out worldwide.